Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Jira with GitHub in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on Jira.com and then simply just sign in into your Jira account if you haven't already. Now over here on the Jira dashboard, you just have to hover over to the left hand side, click on the option of apps and then click on the option of explore more apps. Now over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for GitHub. Then among the given options, you just have to select this one. So you need to simply just click on it. Now you just have to click on the option of install and wait for some time until this application installs inside your Jira account. Now when it is basically installed successfully, you need to sign in here with the help of your GitHub account and select the GitHub organization that you want to connect, and then simply click on the option of connect. Now you will need to be a Jira website administrator and a GitHub organization owner for this particular setup. So then you need to simply just choose where Jira should access all the repositories or only selected repositories in that particular GitHub organization. So once the connection is completed, you can open the Jira issues and note its issue key such as project 123, and when working in the GitHub, include that Jira key in your branch name, commit message and the pull request title, and Jira will then automatically connect the related branches, the commits and pull requests to that particular issue so that you can track the development progress directly from Jira. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.